To express in words. Say something. Say a word. Say a sentence. Say goodbye. She said something I didn't quite understand. He said goodbye before leaving the office. To state or declare. Say the truth. Say a fact. Say your opinion. Say your name. You should always say the truth in difficult situations. He said his opinion on the matter during the meeting. To suggest or recommend, say yes, say no, say it's a good idea, say we should. She said yes to the proposal. They said it's a good idea to try the new restaurant. To report or mention, say something about, say regarding, say in the news, say in an interview. He said something about the upcoming changes. The spokesperson said in the interview that the company is expanding. To convey a meaning or message. Say it clearly, say it again, say it with confidence, say it like it is. Could you say it clearly so everyone understands? Please, say it again. I missed that part. Use certain words or phrases. Say a word of encouragement, say a prayer, say a joke. She always knows how to say a word of encouragement. He said a joke that made everyone laugh. To make an assertion or claim. Say something is true, say something is wrong, say something is impossible. He said it was true that the company would expand globally. They said it was impossible to meet the deadline. To indicate a level or degree. Say 10 years ago, say 3 minutes, say 5%. The company was founded, say 10 years ago. It'll take, say 3 minutes to get there. Common collocations with say. Say to someone, say out loud, say the least, say anything. He said to me that he was sorry. Please say out loud what you need. To say the least, the meeting was disappointing. I don't think she will say anything about it.